It was during this time that President Emilio Aguinaldo proclaimed the independence of the Philippines from the Spanish colonial rule in Cavite el Viejo, Kawit, Cavite. This event was also the first time the Philippine national anthem was performed publicly and the first time the Philippine flag was displayed. It was only in 1962 that June 12 was declared as the country's Day of Freedom through a presidential proclamation issued by President Diosdado Macapagal. This change of date was further cemented through Republic Act No. 4166 in 1964. Macapagal said the proclamation